Here with another Kaspa update. All right, you can see Bitcoin here up at the 786. I mean, it has really made a run here. So much for the 702 that I talked about for months and months and months. That absolutely looks like it had no effect. Ran right through it. You can see right there. Slowed down a little bit, but not much. Now it's up to the 786, and the next Fibonacci target for this thing. Wow. I would think that's a bull run there, the 102,000, but that is definitely for a bull run. That's not now, Me and Art were talking this morning, and both of us think probably around 60, 61 could be the next target, so somewhere up in this area. If we go out in a monthly here, look at some monthly closes. 58.9. You got some major resistance. Let's mark a couple out here. Well, we're at one right now. 56.8. That's a monthly close. We have monthly closes right up here at 58.946. And then the last resistance, 61.5, right up there. So if it blows through these areas, and then we're looking at a run at a new all-time high. But you can see the monthly closes right here, the closing candles. That's where we put our trend lines here. And before we go any further, I really want to apologize. Yesterday, I am so sorry. Like, I got out of that Discord, and like, my wife is in Texas. I'm the only one in the house, and it's like I wanted to talk to somebody about it, and you guys were the only ones, my only friends. We live in a new town. Like, I don't know anybody. I'm sorry. That'll never happen again. All right, I'm here to talk about charts. So that's what I'm gonna do. And please, please, please accept my apology. I was just a little amped up yesterday. After getting out of there and spending all day in there. So it'll never happen again. I'm sorry. All right, let's move on here. Boy, look at this one candle for Bitcoin. Holy cow. On the monthly. We got the halving coming up in, I believe, just a little less than 2 months here. All right, let's move over to the crypto bubbles, and then we're going to talk Kaspa. Pepe. Wow. That's another one. I mean, my chart goes back to like March of 23. I think it launched. I'm not sure if it launched around there, but if it did, it's setting new all-time highs. It has just blown up through the areas that the last resistance area there. So it's kind of in price discovery, I guess. And if we come over here to CoinGlass. Take a look here. Liquidations, they're a little bit more, 351.5 million. It's up 67%. Look at open interest, getting pretty high, $55 billion. That's plus 2.6%. And 24-hour volume for the crypto market, 201.4 billion. And if we come down through here, your volume for the 24 hours, wow, look at Doge, 296%. I guess people expecting maybe a Doge pump there. I don't know if it's low. 1,000 Pepe. Oh, that's that. And then Bitcoin Cash, 500%. Wow. Geez, this thing's is this ranked number 18th now? No way. Let me look at the 1,000 Pepe. Is that really ranked number 18? Excuse me. No, it can't be. Nah. Let's go. I have Coin Market Cap pulled up for Kaspa here. We'll look at Kaspa first, and then I don't know that 1,000 Pepe. I know it's kind of like a different thing you can buy instead of buying the regular Pepe, of course, but Kaspa's at 1693, down about 0.25% for the day. Volume at 60.1 million. Market cap at 3.86 billion. Ranked number 30 still. I found this thing on here. It's pretty cool. The all-time low for Kaspa. You can come over here to this where's it at here? Right here. This pretty cool thing here. 0.0, and it's a Kaspa profit calculator. Changely, they're bullish on it, and plus they have price predictions for up to 2030 on here. Okay, so when Kaspa launched, let's take a look here. Just curious. You don't have to put the price in, nothing like that. You just got to put in the launch date. We're going to put it in here. We're almost to June 1st of 2022. Boy, if I could rewind time to June 1st of 2022, I'd take out every loan I could. June 1st of 2022. There we go. Okay. June 1st, I guess June 2nd of 2022. And you invested, I don't know, let's say $1,000. All right, in Kaspa. That's what is that? Or that's February? Is that June? Wait, it's February, isn't it? No, June. Okay, they have the date 2nd. All right, and they have February 27th of 2024. $1,000. Let's see what it says. Calculate return on investment. Wow, $929,884. You're in profit. I'd say you're in profit. That's 92,888%. That's, what is that, a 928x, or is that a 92x? Excuse me. That's a lot. Holy cow. That's 1,000 times 2. 90 would be 90,000. That's 928x. Wow. Holy cow. $1,000 would have got you just about $1 million in a little over 2 years. Not too bad, that's for sure. All right, now let's go down here for the price predictions here. Kaspa prediction table. This goes the whole way up to 2040. Let's see here. Let's just click on one. 2025. They expect roughly around 27 cents, something like it, right around there. Medium price average in the max. 2026, we're up to 45 to 54 cents. Okay, and this is without a bull run they're going on here. 2027, you're up to looks like 70 cents to 83 cents. Okay, in 2027. 2028, we are up to 97 cents, and it says the average price right around $1. Maximum price $1.18. $1.18. That's in 4 years. 2029, they're saying a high, excuse me, of $1.38. Well, I'm sorry, that's not the high. The low of $1.38, high of $1.68. That's by 2029. 2030, they are predicting $1.98 to $2.39. 2031, boy, I bet you this must go up pretty good. 2031, they're expecting $2.82 to $3.36. That's what is that? 7 years. 2032. 2032, we're at 411 to 489, almost $5 by 2032. By 2033, 9 years from now, they're expecting $5.98 to $7.07. Wow, that's a pretty good jump there. All right, and 2040, I can only imagine what this is. Oh yeah, can you look at this? Look at these numbers. $107. I didn't look at this ahead of time, but $107 to $133. $107 Kaspa. Is that even possible? By 2040, all right, this is 2024. We're going to have another bull run in 2028, 32, 36. This will be 4 bull runs from now. And then 2050, the year 2050, $165 to $189. $189. I don't know how they come up with these numbers. Boy, oh boy, $189 Kaspa. Is that even possible? I'm just curious what they. Let's see down through here what they have to. There's 2025, 2026, 27. We're gonna look at these a little bit bigger here. I want to see that 2040. Look at these numbers: $107 to $133. That's the minimum price they're thinking by 2040. That's 17 years from now. Wow. And then by 2050, that's 27 years from now. I guess maybe, huh? Yeah. 165 to $189 Kaspa. 165 bucks. Can you imagine looking back 27 years from now? Boy, I'll be an old man. Wow, that's crazy. We'll see, I guess, right? I mean, if we're all around then, which I'm sure we will be, we're all going to live long, healthy lives. But 165 to 189 bucks, man, oh man, you can remember that day that weirdo that pushed his Discord on YouTube talked about $189 Kaspa. Holy cow, I can only imagine. All right, let's move on here, guys. We looked at that. Let's take a look at the Block Explorer real quick over here, and then we're going to get over to the chart. 1.8 transactions, 167 petahash. Any big transactions going on while we're taking a look here? Not really. There's a $6,000. $6,000, another one, 39,000 Kaspa. Boy, oh boy, once in a while you can check it out and you'll see some big ones, $100,000, $150,000 buys. Once in a while, 18,000 there, 18 grand. Yeah, a lot of buying going on there, that's for sure. Top addresses. Let's see if any major changes are going on here. It's crazy. I can't believe Bitcoin is where it's at. I'm kind of in shock. I really expected a pullback to the 30s. I really did. You know when you believe something so much that you're in total shock when it doesn't happen. I mean, wow. As soon as that monthly RSI takes one tick down, though, I mean, it's been very, very easy so far. If you were here in the last bull run, you know what I'm talking about. There's going to be a crackback here at some time. We're going to get smacked back to reality. All right, here we go. The last 24 hours, plus 19 dolphins, plus 6 sharks, minus 1 whale. Last 30 days, minus 5. 1 Aquaman, 18 sharks. Well, nothing major there to really talk about, I guess. Plus 6 sharks here in the last 24 hours. So let's go over and take a look at the chart and see what's going on here. As soon as I get it pulled up here, got too much stuff opened up here. Here we go. It's that MEXC. Geez, that thing just, I think it's down. Go over to here and check out this out. All right, here we go. Boy, it doesn't look like much of a chart when you go out on a monthly, does it? There isn't a whole lot there, or on a weekly. That's crazy. You can see your waves a lot easier, that's for sure. 1, 2. This sure looks like. Let's put a Fibonacci on here once. Let's get this fib out here. Put it right on here. Here we go. Isn't it crazy how well this thing works? That first 5 waves, full extension. Yeah, it went down a little bit there. Hold on one second. Here we go. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Full extension there. Look at that. That's why I love this thing. It's so accurate. Nailed that first move right up here. Okay, so this section of our chart is we're done with that, obviously. Okay, now we're working on this this bigger section here. Okay, we need some price targets, number 1, and see where we're going here. Okay, so we're going to take a fib and we're going to put it on top of that. Top of this move right here. $189 Kaspa. I still can't get that out of my head. It's crazy. All right, here we go. Now, this first target, obviously, we almost hit that. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit closer in here. And this is where we left the last video right here. Okay, we were looking a little bit tighter in here to see if we could see any wave counts in here. All right, which we can, definitely. All right, we have our 5 waves up right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we're waiting for this ABC over here to finish up. Okay, and then we're waiting to see if we can bust through that 618 or 702. Kind of going sideways in here, almost a like we talked yesterday, almost a triple bottom up in here, which is definitely bullish. You know, even a double bottom, even this double bottom would be. Let's take a look at these RSIs and see where we're at here. Could even take a trend line almost and put it right, see if it fits on here, almost right across here. You know, as soon as we get a break of this out, the 12 hours just turning up. Let's get this off here first. There we go. 12 hours just turning up. The 8 hour is actually rolling over. The 4 hour is rolling over. Our daily looks good. I mean, 15.6 and a 15.9, kind of a little bearish, but I believe that's because of I truly believe we're going to get an ABC in here. Okay, our weekly still headed up 63 and a 48. All right, so what we got to keep an eye on it for in here is for this 618 or 702 Fibonacci area. All right, that's going to tell a lot in here, and we're going to put a fib on here, right here. Okay, because we have not gotten up there yet. All right, we haven't got near the 618 or 702. That's the area that we really got to pay attention to. And once we get this over with, then we can start our way back up. But until we figure this out in here, see if this is going to be an ABC in here, which it should be. Okay, right in this area here. Now, if we blow through it, then plans obviously change. Then we're heading up to 20 cents, and of course a lot higher than that. We got 24 cents after that, which I believe that's the next targets anyway. As soon as we get this ABC over with, then we'll be heading into the 20s, which is crazy, you know. Geez, oh man, I remember. Wow, I wish I would have stacked a lot more when we were way back, you know, first started doing these videos. What was it, 2 cents, way back here, down in here. Yeah, 2 cents. Boy, oh boy, wish I would have put a lot more on there, you know. I mean, we paid 8x already from when we started doing these videos, you know. And then these targets here, if we put this fib right on top here, after the ABC is done, these will be the targets we're looking for right here. Okay, ABC. Then we're looking for 25.7. Then it will be 32 cents, and then just about 36 cents. Okay, that will finish up our next set of Fibonacci's. Okay, we finished up this one right here. Remember, we finished this one up. Let me get to the bottom here. Okay, and that one finish this wave up right here. This will be our next wave right here that we'll be working on, right up through here up to just about 36 cents. That's crazy. What is that? That's a 18x from where we started these videos. And you know, this is just the beginning. I mean, we're heading into a bull run here. We're in the beginning stages of it, I guess you could say. But man, oh man, when we had the last bull run, nothing really got really crazy until the fall. I remember the Bitcoin halving, and then like in October or something, that's when it really started getting going. You know, so it's kind of weird, I think, because I mean, this is February, and we're already starting to see crazy stuff. Or is this just certain coins, you know, just starting to pop off? I mean, February way back, February 2020, I guess we were heading up in February, right? But let's get this off here. You know, we bottomed way back here, then we had that retracement, and then we started our bull run January 2020, February 2020. If COVID wouldn't have hit right here, you know, this thing probably would have took off, I guess, a lot quicker. April, May, June, July, August, but it was October right over here when it really started taking off in the fall, I remember. And then, boy, oh boy, it was a long ride up. Look at this. Crazy. We have a long road ahead of us, guys. I mean, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait. It's going to be a blast. So thank you so much, guys. Once again, I apologize. I'm so sorry. Please, you know, give me a pass. Give me a pass. Won't happen again. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.